I got this kit as a gift, and I saved it from my grandkids to play with, and I had the 9-year-old put it together for me, and we tried to launch it. It says here, soars up to 50 feet. I don't think so. Powered with baking soda. We fired it up about 10 times. And it went up maybe 10 feet at the very best. It's just not a good thing. So I would not suggest buying this for any reason. Unless you just want to waste your money. There it is, all assembled. It has a glass tube. You put baking soda in that. You pour some vinegar inside here. You stick it on top of there. And instantly it tries to take off. There's no time. Like the directions say to shake it up. No such luck. So, there you go. Don't waste your money. Don't know where it came from. Know where it's going. Trash. Trash. Good that let him try it.
Baking soda in first or the vinegar?
It's supposed to be separated. And you're supposed to make sure it latches, and then you're supposed to...
Now what we got is baking soda. Just try that.
No, I just wanted to go.
Yeah, watch it take off now. It didn't even need... Trash. Trash.
Tell me if it gets too much out. Don't start whining and stop. I can't watch it. It makes me dizzy. Don't break anything. Look at him.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay.
Don't break that leg.
Don't worry, that's what happened to me. I see. I'll push you.
Make everyone watching it sick.
Yeah, that's the whole point. It's the whole point.
Okay, Dale, that's enough. I'm getting sick.
Me too. That's a good part. I don't feel so good.
Are you gonna throw up your Yahoo?
Yahoo. I'm not gonna throw up my Yahoo.
And this is 30 years. Don't do it again, ever.
Oh, God.
Ah.
Help me.
I want to see if Grandpa can walk.
It's kind of woozy to believe that I used to think that was fun.